In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for construction management. Whether you're managing small renovations or large-scale projects, Clickup can streamline your process and keep everything organized. Let's start by opening Clickup. If you haven't already set up an account, you can quickly sign up on their website to begin. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clickup dashboard, which is the control center for all your project management tasks. Next, you'll want to set up your workspace and spaces. Think of your workspace as the overarching umbrella for your operations. Within this workspace, you'll set up spaces that essentially act like departments. For a construction management scenario, you could have separate spaces for each aspect of your project, such as design, budgeting, and field management. This keeps everything organized and ensures that you and your team can access the right information quickly and efficiently. Now, let's move on to creating folders for your projects. In Clickup, folders serve as categories or themes under each space. For a construction project, you might create folders named after each phase of construction, like planning, execution, and maintenance. Within these folders, you can then further organize specific actions and tasks related to each phase, giving you a clear structure and hierarchy to follow. Once your folders are set up, you can use tasks to break down specific actions required in each project phase. Tasks in Clickup are highly customizable, and you can assign them to team members, add due dates, and set priorities. By associating tasks with specific team members and deadlines, you ensure that everyone knows what needs to be done and when, minimizing delays and improving accountability. Setting up views in Clickup is another key feature to leverage. Clickup offers a variety of views such as list, board, calendar, and Gantt, which allow you to visualize your tasks in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. For construction management, the Gantt view could be particularly useful for tracking project timelines and making sure everything is progressing as planned. You can easily switch between views so you can see your data from different angles, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Lastly, don't forget to use dashboards to monitor your progress. Dashboards in Clickup provide a high-level overview of all your projects and can be customized with widgets to show metrics like task completion rate, project milestones, and workload distribution. This way, you always have a pulse on how your project is doing and can make informed decisions based on real-time data. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your construction projects with Clickup. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you get organized and stay on top of your construction management tasks.